A warm welcome to the channel. I haven't been around for a couple of days, been a little bit busy with bits and bobs, for example, dentist, getting a new Wi-Fi system in the house. But the title of this show is related to floods, and these are just the floods around the world in February 2023. None are in China yet, but I can suspect a high probability that the floods will come to China, but this is the world now. We must always think of ourselves as quite lucky people in the way that maybe this has never happened to us and never will happen to us in our lifetime. But it is the unexpected, and when it does happen, it is shocking, to say in the least. So we should always pray for the unfortunate people when sometimes these things do happen. Meanwhile, in China, let's have a look at the education system. I think you're going to be a little bit shocked. And if you ever do endeavor to go into the People's Republic of China, I would highly recommend not going by an electric powered bus. I have seen this now on YouTube and Twitter. I've lost count how many times.
112，真厉害，真厉害，真厉害，真厉害！哎呦，这高科技厉害啊！这要特斯拉得全世界闻名了，这现在。
And what are these two naughty, evil people up to? What plan are they hatching now so they can deny it later? People say that there is zero homelessness in China. Now, this video I'm about to show you, I can't work out if this is real or is it fake. There was one person who said on YouTube that said homeless people in China is like zero. What would happen is that the police would actually pick them up off the street, put them on a train, pay for the train journey to their hometown. Whether to believe that or not, there's no video evidence related to that. So I don't know if it happens. Are they really going to spend that money, and where's the money going to come from, etc., etc. But this is a video that I've seen a couple of times, and what do you think? You can leave a comment in the comment form below, or the comment section underneath, like down there. And in Wuhan, the home of the CCP virus, there are some protests not related to, you could say, COVID anymore, but it's some of the old age pensioners, the OAP, the senior citizens, the elderly, whose healthcare insurance has been cut from 250 RMB to 100 RMB, and they are angry. Meanwhile, at the Three Gorges Dam, I did get a response to them today. Hello, could you please send us the address of the webcam? Which is really strange because this is your own webcam. So I did, and I sent them a link directly to the webcam galore, for example. And I'm sure they're going to respond saying this is not this. So this is the latest from the Three Gorges Corporation related to their live streaming webcam, which is not live streaming the Three Gorges. The levels at the Three Gorges, you can look today, it's gone up, it's 155.70 in the last 24-hour period. Inflow, we don't know, outflow is 6,140, which means about 21% of the dam is operational. But let's have a look at the weather for China for the next couple of days, and it seems to be dry as a bone, but I'm sure this will change in the next coming month. And to end off in a brighter side of the news, how about a girl dancing on TikTok or Douyin trying to attract a boyfriend? Here she is. Thank you so much for your time. I won't be making so many videos in the next coming weeks or so because I've got other things to do related to the house. I'm sort of upgrading it for the moment, and there's going to be some bangs and cracks, etc. with the decoration. So with that, I don't want to have that in the video. Today is a nice quiet day and I do have a bit of time. Yes, I am wearing a shirt. There is a reason for that, but that's another whole story. So the normal messages to like, to subscribe, to share this on your social media. It really helps the algorithm one way or the other. And if you do want to financially support the cats of Pickle and Tokyo, my two adorable cats, one, the link is in the description below to their own channel, and you can help them by super thanks, you can help them by becoming a member, and you can also join the Patreon account. Have an epic day wherever you are, and again, please do think of the people who is not as fortunate as you. as unfortunate of losing their house because of floods, earthquakes, etc. God bless everyone.